What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JR Go, and today we are headed back to TX2K. I'm pulling the truck. Brian's out driving the Huracan around because he wanted to actually drive to the track and drive home last night. So we are whipping the truck around, but there's a Huracan and what looks like a GT3 in front of us. So let's go try to catch him with this truck. I bet those guys are gonna move out, but this truck's pretty quick, even with 10,000 pounds behind it.
I'm surprised that they're not going much faster.
I know, I figured they would leave hard. I was waiting on them to do like 150 out of here. All right, well, they're running straight GTRs now. We're back, but it looks like the roll racing's over because we didn't qualify. Otherwise, we would have been here early this morning and got some good parking. Instead, we're in the very, very, very last row. This guy made his own row. I like his style, it looks good. But yeah, so we're not racing today. We're still getting the Huracan out here. The lowest time in sport class yesterday was like 167. And we did a 164, so we didn't make it in. There's probably 30 minutes of traffic while we were trying to get in here as well, so that added to our time getting here really late. Plus everyone was just worn out from yesterday with all the sunburns and just energy burnt. So we all went home, went straight to bed. It was a very short night.
I was in bed at like 9.
Oh, you were, huh?
I was out.
Dead. So maybe tonight we'll go get some street action in. Sounds like fun. What else do you do when you got a Huracan and a GTR down here? It's McLaren land over here. We got a 12C and a 720 and a whatever those things that all look the same are. We're just taking the trailer for a ride. Brian's gonna hit the brakes and you're gonna legitimately die. Oh, he's trying to back the trailer. It just poured rain here. We moved the truck over there so we could park somewhere where we can just chill in the trailer and watch the cars go down through the lights right here, which is about the perfect spot to be in. And the track will probably be live again in 45 minutes to an hour or something like that. The what? Oh yeah, the group. Everybody's on. So let's get back to some racing. 2K photographers are gonna have the best day of their life though. Look at all the water and the reflections off those Corvettes. Reflection shots for days. Mobile dyno set up in here. Let's go see what's going on. Putting a ZR1 on, it look like? Oh yeah. 492, 498 torque. The track is hot again, and we just watched a 200 pass from the big end. It's fast. Also, there's an Alpha. And it sounds killer. Absolutely killer. What'd you run?
9.8.
Nice.
Oh, sorry,
Peter didn't even announce it. And we were like, no, he didn't say anything. And I was like, well, she's run 9s. That's awesome.
We both ran 9.8s together.
That's perfect.
We're both, these are a personal best.
Our best time.
Holy shit,
Awesome.
I'm so happy.
All
Sorry.
right.
Totally freaking out.
Have fun.
Thanks.
Nyan Cat S2000. And a Calvo TT Viper.
In the right lane is actually the number 1.
It's just in the shutdown area. We're not sending any cars.
We made it a couple cars through the sport class. This Viper engine caught on fire right at the lights and oiled down the track, of course. So they shut down the track and now it's raining. Heading back to the trailer, we're gonna go get in our cover and then we'll be back out when the rain stops. A Datsun just did 178 in the right lane. It's crazy.
Got a GTR and a
190 out of a 61 Buick. It's because GTR ended up winning. The other lane was a breakout by 3/10. Hey, Stage 3 Plus underground car takes the W, 191. It's insane. It's not a Stage 3 Plus, that's turned up. And the underground car broke out, too fast. It's tough, you really gotta play the game right when you're sandbagging in the roll race. 204 out of that Viper. Kevin was gonna destroy him, and the GTR just slingshotted him. Kevin had 20 mile an hour on him in Cuberto. I'm back home now, editing the 2K videos. I needed to say a few quick words about the roll race, and actually just racing in general. Racing is not about cars. It's not about who's faster or anything like that, especially in spec racing and stuff like that. You're racing the rule book, and anyone who's been in racing for a long time can tell you that. Everyone knows you're basically just trying to find loopholes in the rule book, bend the rules, and if the officials say it's good, it's good. All that matters is that you leave with the win at the end of the day. So the roll race at 2K is literally just about who can slingshot and still get that green light. Because if that green light turns on and you're faster to those lights at the other end, you won. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. There's no reruns. The officials say it's good. If the green light turns on, that's all that matters. I love GTRs. I love Underground's Huracans, and also Calvo's Vipers. That's it. And the roll race is literally confined to those cars. People that have 1,500 to 3,500 horsepower and pocketbooks that we can't even dream about. So, back to the racing.
to the right.
That's the Koi's X3 Plus. Perfect, 216. This is like a 2R Gallardo and a GTR, and the GTR can't maintain pace. He got into the anti-lag too late, couldn't get the speed right. Christine's GTR won the Unlimited class. That's absolutely insane.
I want to see that yellow.
All right, guys, here we go. Here we go, you the roll race finish is coming up.
228 from the Drag 965 car, but Koi took it with a 225. Insane, insane. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch J Ergo, and today we're here in Zach's truck. They went to the track. Lamborghini and I were like, hey, let's go to the beach since we're 10 minutes from the beach. So we are gonna go hang out and have some fun, and everybody else is gonna watch some drag racing. Never driven Zach's truck before. This thing is turned up. It just moves. This is like 8 throttle, and then this is quarter throttle. Rolls cool. So much fun.
Hey.
Hey. Are you excited to be at the ocean/Gulf?
Yeah. It's a little chilly.
It's definitely super cold. We're like, oh, water, and it's cold outside.
starving.
and get food. That was a full send, dude.
What?
That was a full send.
We're like, oh, he's really doing it.
I would have got on it, but there's that police stand. I don't know what's up with that.
I seen that. Probably for 2K.
Probably. I mean, that's what we're here for. Good times, man. See ya. That was like a supercharged Escalade, and I heard it idling, and I was like, oh, it sounds good. So I put this in neutral and give it a little bump, and he hit the gas on that thing, and it all twisted sideways, and he just launched it. Went straight through the next slide at the intersection and everything, but there was a one of those, you know, police towers that go up in the air sitting there. I was like, I'm not doing it, but that guy full sent that Escalade. That is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time.